Welcome back. In today's episode, we explore the KL Tower, located in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. You can purchase tickets either online at the official website, or if you go on a weekday like I did, you can just pick them up right here on site. As you can see, the line wasn't too bad at all. This is the sky deck. It's located outside at the very top of the tower itself. It is open air, so you are exposed to the elements. So if you're apt to get sunburn, you might want to put on some sunscreen or wear a cap. But it is certainly beautiful up here. If you're into views, the towers in Malaysia definitely deliver. It gives you a much better idea as far as just how vast the city is itself. The tower stands at 421 meters, making it the 7th tallest freestanding tower as of 2025. If your schedule allows it, visit right before sunset. That way you can catch daylight as well as night views of the city skyline. This tip works with Petronas Towers as well. This is the observation deck. It's enclosed, away from the weather, and more importantly, air conditioned. The building in the distance there is the Merdeka 118. It's actually the second tallest building in the world currently. But unfortunately, it's not available for public tours just yet. There's a camel sign on the side of this building down below, and whoever came up with this idea deserves a raise. Pretty much every tourist, including myself, were hypnotically drawn to it and found themselves taking pictures. Job well done. This exhibit gives a contrast as far as the height of all these different towers across the world. What I took from it was pretty simple. This is a tough business. Whatever you accomplish, the next guy is going to use as the starting point. Still pretty cool though. Normally there's a revolving restaurant here at the KL Tower, but unfortunately it was closed while I was visiting. Maybe I'll get to catch that my next time through KL later this year. Pretty cool wallpaper here. Just kind of reminding you of, yeah, we're a scenic place. And before heading out, they have plenty of little shops here down at the ground level for you to pick up souvenirs for your friends and family back home, as well as something to eat or drink before heading on to the next attraction here in Kuala Lumpur. As always, I appreciate you watching. make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, farewell.